I think for our campus, the fact that it's been roughly 60 plus years since the Lincoln Center was built, and when you think about where our business school is today and the number of students that are in it, we've tremendously outgrown that. But what really gets me excited about this new facility for Morningside is what it means for the entire campus. I think the second part of that is the impact to Siouxland. We envision a building that allows us to do a number of things as it relates to community right here on the campus that we weren't able to do before. Everything we're doing now inside that building is about building an experience for the student, for the opportunity to learn, grow, develop, and come out of Morningside University at a place where they're ready to step into their job, into their new opportunity, their career, and lead and be a part of growth and making sure that they're prepared for that. We want to continue to invest in things that have an absolute direct impact on the student experience. The investments made in the Honeck Freymann Hall is tremendous because it paves the way for generations of students to be able to learn in a state-of-the-art facility, state-of-the-art classroom, with state-of-the-art technology, with great educators, our faculty. And that becomes extremely important. That allows us to do things across campus. You look at many of the things we invest in is at the impact and at the gifts that we get from donors.
It's been kind of a labor of love. I've been involved with it for years and years. And everybody's probably got a favorite charity or somebody that works with. Morningside's mine. These people that probably go through the business school will be the leaders of the future.